Good morning, guys. My name is Mohit Dagar. I am from India, a city called Rohtak, and state Haryana. EPICO Master Program, in few words, I would like to describe that it is the future. The more opportunities which we get to learn here about electrical vehicle are amazing. And thirdly, I would like to say that if electrical vehicle is a future, then EPICO is a choice which will enhance your level in this field. Okay, EPICO, because it is like electrical vehicles and I am very much keen interested in this field, and I have also published my one research paper over this topic during my bachelor's, and I was very much focused about it because I know the future will be in electrical vehicles due to lack of natural resources we have in today's life. So the renewable resources are the future of our world. So EPICO is the best part to choose and to reduce this oxygen level and give a great hand in cleaning the environment. Okay, for the first semester, the challenging part for me was particularly I was not able to attend a face-to-face class. It was my bad luck for sure, and few subjects were new for me, from a new level. So it was a little difficult for me, but I came over it and it was fine at the last part. Okay, my first advice would be that if you are very much keen and very much interested in this topic, then you should join it, because it is it will give a big opportunity. You will get a big opportunity in ECN because they have very much things over here in this field. And secondly, if you are having interest in battery technologies and transmissions, electrical vehicles, what are the controls going inside the vehicles, then you can go for EPICO. Main purpose is that you should have interest in it. My career plan is I am very much interested in electrical vehicles, and after completing my master program, I would like to work for 2 or 3 more years in the research field with a company. And after 2 or 3 years, I have a plan to start my own company, but only in battery management, because I found that storage energy is something great topic and a great future, which today's people should know and should do something, and which could be done by this program. So this is I want to start something new.
Very good.
Okay, ECN in 3 words. So firstly, ECN is a very good university with a good campus, and it is an amazing environment over here to study. And secondly, I would like to say that it is a good part of the north, near to the riverside, where you can go and have funs. And thirdly, the library and every facilities over here are amazing, great, which will enhance your studies. Life in Nantes is great, because Nantes is a city for me particularly, I am from India. We don't have any city, a big city, and there is a river crossing between the city, so the view and the feeling is amazing. You can have fun with your friends, you can go out to a big garden. There is a garden over there, I forgot the name, but it is way amazing, and the weather is also very beautiful, and I love it. Yeah, I have one funny fact, and it was my bad luck too, because we were 21 EPICOs for our first intake, and all 20 EPICOs arrived in Nantes, in September, and I was struggling with my visa process in India. So I was not able to attend the class, the face-to-face classes which were going during the September, and I arrived 1 month after the start date of the course. So it was all online classes for me. I was not able to attend even a single face-to-face class. So that was a bad luck of mine and bad experience too.